and appreciate and applaud the students' efforts. Please give a big clap for all the students. I am really mesmerized by your performance and I am in a great confusion to find out which is the best because every performance is best. The introvert group of teachers, please have a seat. The introvert group of Rahul and company, never talking to anybody, and the way they danced. One day I will learn from them, hopefully. Really great performance. All the dear children, the speech, the way the speech was conducted by Sandhya and Antara. It's really heart-touching, the way, the pronunciation, the throw of the words. So how our students are learning all this thing, it really is very proud moment for us. The healthy atmosphere which is being maintained by all the students, including Sahil Jujar. I saw that he was also disciplined today. Krish Sharma is also talking less. So one day when I have a heart attack, you will be blamed. Remember my words. So enjoy your day the way it was done. So I would like to begin my speech, dear. Give me 2 minutes. If you will allow me 2 minutes, then I will continue. Because you all have invited us to your program. Yeah? We are the guests today. So I would like to begin my speech by paying a tribute to all the teachers who have taught me, because of whom I am what I am today. And along with it, a special admiration and gratitude to all the members of our school. You teachers are the pillars of this nation. And whenever I feel little bit tired, I always remind. In one of the speech, somebody told, we are the unsung heroes. No, we are the sung heroes. In the very first word of the God, we are always along with Shri, Shri and Guru. And Shri Guru Charan. From Hanuman Chalisa, the very first word. So we are the sung heroes, all the teachers. The only problem is we have to clap for ourselves. We have to be proud of the things which we are doing, because God has chosen us that you will be a teacher. We have not chosen a profession. In fact, it's not a profession at all. It's life. And that's what I mean. And when I remember my Sandroy ma'am, bio teacher, still I remember, admire her. Kajal Bose, Standard 7 History, as all the teachers, Sylvia David, Standard 5, Santosh, you have to be first in the class. That was the dream she put up in my mind. And by the final exam, I was the first student in the class. So that is what teachers inspire. Teachers motivate. Teachers teach the way to think, the way to live. My parents have given me birth, but my teachers have given me life. So I will always guide everybody to be thankful to your teachers, each and every one. By being a teacher, it means a lot. We have been told Param Brahm, all teachers. जो परम ब्रह्म है, मैं उस गुरु को प्रणाम करता हूँ. तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. So be proud of yourselves, all the teachers. We are all proud of you. We will always be. We are the sung heroes of the society, of this nation. We have to always clap for ourselves. We have to be always high on the spirits. And we hope, and I would like to also tell my children that myself personally, I have devoted my whole life for the cause of education. I think studies, I sleep education, I eat whatever I do, every time I think for you. Sometimes I'm just sharing my personal thing. Sometimes I'm eating and I remember any student, why this child is not listening to me? What is the problem? Oh, this child has spoken such a great speech in the assembly. So all the time we are thinking about you, all the time. If there is any machine, you can bring it and check it on me. So that sort of dedication and devotion we are trying to work. And my grandfather always used to say, don't try for best, just give your best. So I do not expect anything, I just want to give my best for each and everything that is possible. Because a wise man said, when you do all the things that are possible, suddenly impossible things start to happen. We as a community, school community of teachers, students, supporting staff, and all of us, we all have to gel together, appreciate each other, and create such a healthy atmosphere that we can't live without it. I always believe in feeling of gratitude, a feeling of thankfulness to each and every one. When we have this song or poem in the morning, पता नहीं किस रूप में नारायण मिल जाए, I mean it actually. I mean this song. I always feel that I don't know God is in which form and come to me. So always and I believe that this is the very theme and heart of LHS. This thought process can change the world. When we are in such a mindset. So I salute to all my students for the excellent performance. I salute you. Great. Today I believe my life has increased by 2 years at least. So after seeing your performance. And we teachers are so fortunate that we don't have to go anywhere for our, entertainment, enjoyment, everything is for us. And for the students, am I taking too much time? Everything is okay? but with the heart and the feeling with which the students performed, I was seeing for last few days, students are trying to do the rehearsal and coming to me, sir, we want to do the rehearsal and all this. It's really heart touching. Yeah. So the way the students are showing the zeal, the enthusiasm, the energy, all these things speak a lot about how our teachers are encouraging each and every child. Shushma had done a wonderful job today and her team. I really appreciate the way all the students were brought up by Shushma teacher and Shinit. So please give a big clap for them. Also, our Mr. Serious Rajan Kumar Rai, the way the speech was done, I am taking it little bit funny, so nobody will give them names like that, okay? I am just trying to little bit who is missed out? Yes, no, Tushar and the team. So, a very, very great thanks to all the children for giving us such a beautiful day. We are indebted to you, like you are saying, sir, we are indebted to our teachers. We teachers are also indebted to our students. आप लोग का आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ मैं, आप लोग ने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम का प्रदर्शन किया एंड जिस उत्साह के साथ आपने इस प्रोग्राम को क्रियान्वित किया उसको मैं शब्दों में एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I cannot express in words the way all the children did the activity. I got a beautiful card today from Rahul. Where is Rahul? If somebody can bring the card from my office table, I can show to everybody. These are my treasures which I will keep in my lockers. Thank you, dear. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, each and everyone. Thank you. I cannot, I'm so indebted to each and everybody today that I cannot express more in words. I really appreciate, admire each and every one of you. We are so proud of you. Keep winning, keep enjoying. You are the star and you are there to shine. This is the belief, this is the theme from today onwards. Every child is a star and every teacher is a star shiner. They will shine those stars. When everyone gives their best, then India can win the 1983 World Cup also. That is what we have to. A person can be weak or strong, but a team, if it gels together, is always strong. We have to believe in teamwork. We have to come up with better and new ideas, better innovations, and learning from our mistakes. What is the best thing? A very great well-wisher of me told me, "Sir, what is the best thing about trying too much? You make too many mistakes. And when you make too many mistakes, you learn very fast." So that is what we are trying. Every moment my life is for my students, and declare it. And if any day a machine is invented, I will be the first person to get it checked. Thank you everybody. Thank you all the teachers, each and every one, all the children, for giving us such a great moment. Thank you all.